la team. Ça va super et vous? Tu me vous vois maintenant. Bah ça va. Mis à part que je suis en train de mourir de chaud, mais c'est ok. Azebi et je repars à toutes. À toutes. Combien de séries de visionnage? 5. Enfin, tu es plus présent que mes darons à ce niveau-là, en fait. Tout simplement. Continuez. Je sais. Vous me le direz à chaque fois. Là, du coup, c'est l'épisode 3. Je crois. Cow Theory.
I knew Chloe would be all over this, so I better get moving. I still can't stop thinking about Kate.
Mais
It's
oui,
like
mais
I'm
moi
awake
aussi
in
en
a bad
fait.
dream.
Mais moi aussi. Il y a quelqu'un. Je rentre chez elle comme as.
Hey Dana, how are you doing?
I just can't stop thinking about Kate. And if this is my fault too.
I think we're all responsible for what happened.
Not you, Max. You were close to her.
La seule.
You were nice to Kate. That's all she needed from everybody else here.
Tell that to Victoria and the Vortex Club.
Dana, there's more to this than just Victoria and the Vortex Club being mean.
So what exactly are you saying, Max? Does this have something
pas
to do
c'est
with
qui.
why you got suspended
J'ai
yesterday?
pas encore regardé. Non mais c'est une blague.
Tell me the truth.
C'est une blague. Purée. Et bah tu verras, c'est triste. Merde, du coup j'ai pas lu.
I'm not sure yet, but I'm on it. Weird shit is going down at Blackwell, and I'm going to find out why.
I'm getting scared now. But people here are still sneaking out tonight.
What? Like who?
Victoria bounced out of here earlier, and now you, Sherlock?
Not me. I need a break from today. Get some sleep too, Dana. I'll see you later.
Oh, Miss You Kate. Mais c'est une blague. Maintenant que ça la suce, hein. C'était que moi sa pote avant.
Principal Wells, are you serious? I'm toast if he sees me.
Nobody can expel me.
Bah c'est mort là juste. Tu dois passer tout droit. Bah c'est juste, c'est juste foutu. Bah oui.
Caulfield, you have to be stealthier than that. You're not supposed to be outside your dormitory at this hour. Plus, you're on suspension.
I'm sorry, Principal Wells. I'm still upset about Kate. I needed some air and space to walk.
I'm sorry you had to go through that today. You tried to help, but God damn it, Blackwell is my responsibility. And I let her and Kate down. Go on back inside. Get some rest. It's been a shitty day.
Putain, je vais devoir faire un truc, de toute façon je vais galérer.
Great. So how do I get past him to meet...
Oh, merde. Bouge-toi le cul vite. Oui, bah je peux pas. Comment je fais? Faut que je remonte le temps. Mais il est toujours là. Non mais frérot. Vas-y quand il essaye d'ouvrir la porte. Vite, 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 vite,
I
vite,
know
vite,
I have a
vite.
set of keys on me.
Oh, great. He saw me.
Il m'a vu.
Max the Ninja strikes again.
Il m'a pas vu, frère.
Now,
Booyah! Get it? Booyah.
Même pas peur en
Like a
fait.
Scary punk ghost. More like a scary and sensitive asshole. Chloe, I watched my friend jump. We need to find out more about who Rachel was involved with around here. She was able to blend in with everybody, even with people I hated. And even though I don't know her, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth.
Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be. Do you think she's...
En vie, morte, en train de s'éclater. Bah moi j'aurais dit morte, hein.
Dead? I'm sorry. I hate even saying that, Chloe.
Hopefully the rest of the class will follow your lead. I'm sorry I was distracted. As you know, it's not been a good day for Blackwell.
I know this has been an awful day, and you can talk to me anytime, Mr. Jefferson.
Thank you, Victoria. I imagine you're pretty upset over Kate as well.
I'm like still in shock. I've never seen anybody die. I really cared about Katie.
Katie?
Oui,
I
oui,
had no
oui.
idea you two were that close. Did she?
Well,
Le dialogue le plus connu du jeu. Ah
how
ouais?
does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
It doesn't. The contest is still a go, and I still have to pick the winner to best represent Blackwell. I've got all the photos, except one from Max.
I'll give you a one-word sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang out together in San Francisco, Mark?
Stick to Mr. Jefferson,
Hmm,
Victoria,
je sais
please.
pas si ça me dit un truc. Maintenant que je le vois écrit,
And,
peut-être ça me dit un truc, mais je sais pas.
I haven't picked a winner yet.
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorites. Just imagine if you picked my photo, though. We would have to spend a lot of time together. That could be fun, don't you think?
I'm going to think that you didn't say any of that.
You might as well
Pas
choose
très
me
fort.
to tell people you offered to choose me
Ça a l'air un peu mieux, là.
for favors or something.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that undisguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase. I suggest you go back to your dorm now.
Wait, I only... Are you fucking kidding me?
Beaucoup mieux. Nickel.
So stupid.
Trop bien caché.
Just when I think Victoria can't get any more evil. Shit is about to get real at Blackwell. Let's go find out.
Ça va sous le bureau pour un concours de foot. Vraiment.
Chloe the Keymaster. You know it. Dude, I don't know about this. We're both already in so much trouble. Not to mention the weed you brought into my room. Joking. I'm serious.
J'allais dire,
We're not
wesh.
kids anymore. We're breaking and entering. If I have a key, how can it be breaking? I get charges for just entering. I'm serious. We could go to jail. Not if I'm related to the head of Blackwell Security. Stepshit will not want me in the hands of the local police. So we better find out what's in the principal's office first. You can rewind if we get caught, right? You have mad powers, Max. Tell that to Kate.
Ouais, vraiment.
Come on. One more door and our work here is done.
Je suis trop deg pour Kate. Trop seule. Attends, c'est quoi ça? Ah, c'est du sang.
That's it. What the fuck? The security officer should have the key to the principal's office. He's hiding shit, like everybody here. Well, now we definitely have to get this door open. Believe it or not, I know a little about lockpicking, thanks to Frank. I might as well test out my thief skill. Go for it. We're already in this deep. Well, you could look for the key, just in case. Why, yes, I could.
Here are the keys. None for the principal's office.
Boring. No key for thee. We have to find another way in.
J'ai même pas le temps de tout
I
chercher.
didn't spend enough time with Frank, but I'll use my DIY lockpick tools while you come up with a better plan.
My plan has a name.
Hey, Warren, you busy?
Just bubble hearth, you'll be okay.
Listen, I need your physics expertise stat. Without naming names, if somebody had access to the art and science labs and wanted to construct a device that would, say, open a locked door, would you maybe kinda know how? Huh? No, I'm just asking for fun. Thanks, science guy. No. Stay. We need you as backup. Just send the text instructions now. Yes, I'm still all in to go ape with you at the drive-in.
Pour aller faire
Thanks
les
for the
singes. C'est une blague.
This sucks ass. Goddamn door. Try not to wake up everybody at Blackwell. Sorry, Max. I got nothing. What about your plan?
Oh, l'enfance! Force la porte, c'est bon
I'm
là.
gonna go put it together. Can you stay here and not get caught? I might get on the other side of that door before you, Lupin. The race is on. See you soon.
Je dois faire quoi moi? J'ai des connaissances en chimie que t'as pas. Frappe-moi, je t'empoisonne. Sucre, canette. Et pourquoi il parle en codé comme ça? Je comprends pas. Je dois faire une bombe artisanale. Allez,
Warren is such a classic nerd.
il faut que j'aille vers
Let's see
où,
if
c'est
I
vers
can
où?
find those items. The tape is mine.
Ah. Ok. Et attends, c'est quoi d'autre que je dois prendre? Oh non, qu'est-ce qu'il veut, frère? Maintenant, t'as tout le temps de réaliser la grosse merde que tu es. Ah! Top. Top, top, top. Elle veut pas le bloquer? On s'en fout. C'est qui m'avait dit? Ah, c'est lui. Du sucre. Non, sucre, canette et chlorate de sodium.
3 more items to go.
Ah, une
Release
canette.
the crack can.
C'est vrai.
It's all mine anyway.
Bon bah.
Max, if you can't find sodium chlorate in the science lab, give it up.
Bah, c'est ça le labo de science, non? Là, une poubelle. Non, y a pas. Putain, c'est pas possible. Sucre! Ah non, il est pas dans une poubelle. Ah, choqué. Je pensais vraiment.
Ooh,
Pas
sugar.
du sucre que tu cherches, je crois que c'est le... Non, non, tu vois, il fallait aussi du sucre.
Only one more ingredient left.
Il me reste plus que ça.
Here's the sodium chlorate box. You know you're clumsy, Max. Don't waste your rewind power. Use the damn chair.
Ok. Ok, c'est bon.
Now
j'ai-
it's time to show Chloe that
Je
Max
pensais vraiment
is
que c'était
the
dans une
bomb.
poubelle, le sucre. Allez, cours! Cours, Forrest. Je suis là.
Take it easy on the door, Chloe. Let's try this instead. Boom! Literally. Yes! Time to blow shit up! If you'll light the candle. This is so cool! Get ready to haul ass.
Mais elle voulait pas être discrète. Être discrète de base.
So fucking cool!
Je pensais direct aux poubelles. Bizarre.
Oh, we are
Mais,
toast!
bah, voilà, j'avais dit
Here
quoi?
comes the whole Arcadia Bay fire.
Mais non, mais parce que je pouvais fouiller des poubelles, donc je me suis dit, bah,
so what
c'est
should
peut-être
we
dans
do?
une poubelle. Allez, vite, 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 vite. Bah. Non, qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Ah merde, non, c'est pas la porte là, je suis trop con. Putain, mais je suis con. Et qu'est-ce que je dois trouver? Ah,
I need to figure
pas la
this
bonne
out.
porte. Ouvre à Chloé. Ah.
If I can get this bastard open, she can't cheat with her rewind. Oh, this is bullshit. Fuck you, door.
Welcome to my domain.
You are magic. I have no clue how the hell you got in there, but you did it, sister.
The company I keep. Now, let's find what we want and
Bah oui,
eat
du coup, il y a
it.
la
My
bombe, elle a pu
powers only
exploser en
go
fait.
so
Enfin,
far.
Man, I can see why the principal locks this room up. Fancy faux art crap. He must want everybody to know he has money, but no taste.
j'aurais pu chercher longtemps.
How can you trust somebody who has a fucking bronze bird in his office? I'm glad I was expelled.
Yes, if only the principal had a Monet or Picasso, you'd still be at Blackwell.
Eat me. I'm gonna pilfer the papers on this ugly-ass desk. Okay, sure. It's ugly, but damn, is it a cozy chair.
I am back. Yann. Ça va, t'as fait vite?
This is your chance to truly get all deductive and shit, Sherlock. Find us some clues about Rachel, or Kate, or Nathan. Anybody.
I'm on the case.
Bah, coiffeur quoi? Ah, t'as été au coiffeur. Ok.
This pretty much sums up Kate. Shy and sweet. And in the wrong place. Only 2 more files to go. I guess being a bully is in the Prescott DNA. If I would have signed the petition, I could have made the difference. Wowzer, this will so not come in handy. I'd drink too if I was the principal of Blackwell.
Coucou Kazox, comment
Rachel
ça va?
doesn't seem so troubled based on all this. But there's not much here about the police investigation. Let's nab this last file, Sherlock. Oh, weird. This asshole has a spotless record. I think we found everything in here. I should go join Chloe now.
Bah, elle est là. J'ai raté quoi?
Max,
Qu'est-ce
you
qu'on a
better come
fait?
check out
En
these
vrai, pas
files.
grand chose, hein. Juste on a été.
Nathan accuses Rachel
On
of
est dans le
bringing
bureau du
drugs on
proviseur
campus,
là,
and my
à
step
chercher
troll
des
went
dossiers, je sais
along
même pas
because he
quoi
thinks
faire.
Rachel was a
On a
bad
fait
influence
exploser
on
la
me.
porte. On a fait une bombe artisanale.
If David is teaming
Et
up with
voilà, en
Nathan
vrai.
Prescott, that's a bad sign. Nathan Prescott III.
Tranquillez-vous. Bah
Ooh,
écoute,
he's so
tranquille. Hein.
money. And you
On est
know
là,
the
on
Prescotts
continue
dropped
le let's
major
play en
bank to
blanc.
bury Nathan's real file. Look, it reads like a rap sheet. Bad grades, teacher complaints, secret probation. But I was expelled?
The Prescotts always get their money's worth. Check out that note. Open it.
It's just some crazy drawing.
It's not a drawing. Look. Rachel in the dark room. Rachel in the dark room. Over and over. That's it.
That's fucked up. What does this even mean?
Et fuck
Nathan
Darwin,
is
frère.
truly psychotic. I know he has something to do with Rachel missing.
Whoa, listen to this. David M. always asks what's going on in my head. David M. always helps me follow those he follows. It's pretty cryptic.
No, it sounds like they formed some sort of weird team, the Super Hebrews.
Jesus. David was stalking Kate, hassling me, and now we know he was all over Rachel too.
Oh, we are so going into his garage files. Plus, I'm getting a little paranoid in here. We got our info, let's bail. But maybe we shouldn't leave without a gift.
No, you are not taking the cozy chair.
Max, do your powers include mind reading? Or did you just rewind because I tried to steal the chair? Shit, I'm confused.
It's the powers of best friendship. I know how you roll. We should definitely get out of here. We pressed our luck enough.
Hello, what have we here? Holy shit! Jackpot! Cha-ching!
Wowzer. That's a lot for the handicapped fund.
Dude, there's $5,000 here. I could pay Frank back tonight. This'll chill him out after you almost, shot him. Are you gonna make a big issue out of this? Or just rewind and take the greenbacks for yourself? I hope you do that instead of lecturing me.
Est-ce que la question se pose vraiment?
Frank knows things about Rachel, and he might talk if he's been paid, right?
You are Supermax. And with the leftover dough, I'll take you on a road trip to Portland for the day. We'll stock up on tats, beer, weed, and
Ils sauront
donuts,
jamais que
books
c'est
from
nous.
Powell's,
Ah,
and
normalement.
strip clubs.
Normalement.
But you never know.
I feel like shit
Bien sûr
for
que cette
taking
action
that
aura des
money.
conséquences. Bien sûr que oui.
That impish look scares me.
Care for a midnight swim? The Blackwell pool is ours.
Swimming? You want to take that risk now?
It's been a cray week. We deserve a little mindless fun in the water. We're done for the night anyway. We're rich, and nobody busted us. So, splish splash?
You're right. We hella deserve it. Splish splash.
Did you actually just say
Splosh,
hella?
splosh, splash.
I think I'm a good bad influence on you.
C'est là qu'elles vont se faire cramer. Dans la piscine.
We're in the Otter's
Ah
Lake.
ouais?
Big fucking deal. I want that heated water.
We still have to play it cool, okay? Even if I'm suspended.
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
Chloe is so psyched for girls' night out, so I better follow her evil plan.
Boys or girls?
Girls, of course.
Girls. Ooh la la. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
Ça fait juste peur. Montre quand on a fini le
Max,
jeu.
try to find the
Ah,
light for the
fini
pool.
le jeu
I
carrément?
want to see the sharks.
Otters don't like sharks. They bite.
So do I. Hit that light.
Faut que j'allume quoi? Voilà. Elle est grande la piscine quoi.
Yes, we get it. Otters.
Et moi aussi je vais y aller.
Time to do or dive, Max.
Bah allez. Elle veut.
Oh yeah, baby. Feels like a hot
On
tub.
va faire en
With my
entier je
cash
crois.
dash,
Ah
I'm
ouais?
queen of the world. Bow.
Bah là c'est
Tell
déjà
me you're not
l'épisode
gonna
3
stand there
hein,
watching
du
me
1.
like a zombie.
Et je crois qu'il y en a que 4 ou 5 max.
Don't you dare! Come stop me, hippie. Okay, you asked for it.
Cowabunga!
Et genre là elles vont pas
An
se faire
otter
choper.
in my water. Dun 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 dun.
You are so obvious. And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you.
Ouais, il y en a 5. Ah,
Otter's
5.
revenge.
Je croyais 4.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about
T'es à
that.
la moitié. Ok.
I wish Rachel was here. She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other.
We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related, and I want to find out why for Kate's sake. She didn't deserve to die.
Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore.
Thanks, girlfriend.
You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature.
More like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
Quand je l'ai sauvée du train. Elle est morte plusieurs fois. Hein.
Not that time. But that's because you were there to kickstart my power.
So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me, you would have never discovered your power, right?
C'était quand la première fois, je sais même plus.
Absolutely. You make me feel like I know what I'm doing.
And you make me feel like I have a reason for still being in Arcadia Bay.
I hope so.
Stop being so goddamn humble. You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known.
More than Rachel Amber?
Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay? And I'm sure you have
On est
Blackwell
tweets.
bros all over you.
Ah oui,
Like
c'est
Warren.
vrai.
Warren is nice.
Nice. Ouch. That means friend zone.
No, he's really cool. It was so sweet when he stood up to Nathan. But I haven't told him about my rewind power.
No worries. Once you get over yourself, you're gonna make the world bow.
As long as you're there with me.
Don't look so sad. I'm never leaving you.
Now I'm getting cold in here. Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, otter versus shark style. I think I've had my pool experience for the year.
Pour l'année.
Let's call
Bah
it a
wesh.
draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out.
Warren ou Chloé pour l'instant?
Gross. I feel like we just went swimming in chlorine.
Bah
today.
Chloé quand même.
You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals.
Quand même.
You would know.
Warren on l'a pas beaucoup vu en vrai des vrais.
Hide!
Voilà. Qu'est-ce que j'avais dit? Se cacher où? Là? Dans les toilettes? Je suis morte. J'ai un pouvoir, on s'en fout.
We have to
On
go
s'en
now.
branle, on s'en branle, j'ai un pouvoir. On s'en branle, on s'en branle, on s'en branle.
Are you shitting me?
J'avais dit quoi? Quand même, quand même.
Dude, hide! Like when we were kids.
I could use my power, or just look for a hiding spot, or both.
Where are they? Hello?
Je suis morte. Je suis dans le... Mais ferme la porte! J'ai peur. J'ai peur. J'ai peur, j'ai peur, j'ai peur. Je m'en fous, j'ai un pouvoir, je l'utilise, c'est bon. Mais il va faire les toilettes, non? Il est pas bête quand même, enfin...
Hello?
Ah non, ça a l'air d'être bien là. Merci Lunar pour ton lurk. Vu qu'ils ont mis la caméra comme ça, je pense que c'est pas mal. Mais moi j'ai paniqué.
Hello? Anybody there?
Non.
Better not try any Halloween pranks after today. I'm serious.
Et je reste là. Je bouge
I
pas.
heard something over here. Who's here? I got a flashlight and a stick.
S'il revient, j'utilise mon pouvoir. C'est bon? J'ai peur. Ah. Il faut que j'aille par où en fait? Faut que je me casse. Ah, ok.
We are so invisible.
Oui, à peine. Ok, ça va.
Wait, turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out.
Oh, this is bullshit. You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive. Crash at my place tonight.
You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives so I'll be safe?
Okay. Into the car. Get in.
Attends, moi je passais 2 heures sur moi, il arrêtait pas de me cramer.
We are so
Ah
fucking
bon?
awesome. Yes, we
Mais ça y est, moi j'ai de
are.
l'expérience en fait. Ça y est, j'ai de l'expérience. Franchement, c'était plus que facile au final. Hein.
Nobody suspended my homework. If I don't turn it in, the school will contact my folks again. And Max gets in more trouble.
Ah.
Ew. Still reeks like a chlorine factory. See if you can find a suitable outfit in my fashion hole.
Okay, time for some Chloe cosplay.
Hey, there you go. Rachel left a bunch of her clothes with me. She's your size.
But not quite my style.
Max, you don't have a style yet. At least give it a try. You can always rewind back to your chlorine brand t-shirt and generic jeans.
You suck. I like my shirt and jeans. But it would be cool to try on Rachel's clothes just to see if they fit.
Stop second-guessing yourself, Max. Put this on and let your inner punk rock girl come out. You can afford to take chances whenever and whatever you want to try. For example, I dare you to kiss me.
What?
I double dare you. Kiss me now.
Moi pas cap. Ça part.
Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action.
You're such a dork.
Mais en fait, et...
That was priceless when I kissed
Qu'est-ce qu'il
Chloe.
fallait pas faire
She
ça.
didn't think I would.
En plus, cette action aura des conséquences, hein. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais... Okin va. En plus, je me... Ouais, c'est vraiment le truc de Chloé, frère.
Couple tats, some piercings, and
C'est
we'll
vraiment
make a
son
fresher out
style.
of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka bra.
Maybe not. Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
Oh my god.
Là, c'est la
That
skin
smells
Fortnite
so
à
amazing.
bûcheron.
It's like when we were kids here.
Oh là, c'est quoi ça encore? Ready for the most pit chacabra. Quoi? Skin Fortnite à bûcheron, waouh. C'est quoi ça? En fait, je tenais à vous remercier de vos actions envers ma fille Kate. C'est preuve de grâce et de courage en montant avec elle sur le toit. C'est moi, Caulfield? Max Caulfield, oui, c'est elle, je crois. Sachez que vous avez fait tout votre possible et que la vie de Kate n'était pas entre vos mains ni entre les siennes à ce stade. Ne vous inquiétez pour mon meilleur, mais elle sera toujours avec nous. Je sais qu'elle vous souhaite une vie bénie, longue et islamique. Notre famille vous inclura toujours dans le prières. Les joueurs Richard Marche. Oh non, en plus je croyais que c'était l'autre numéro privé qui allait m'insulter là. Purée. Elle va croire que c'est Chloé carrément. Elle s'est pas lavée, elle change de vêtements sans se laver. Ouais, je te jure. Elle a dit, elle sent encore le chlore et tout.
Good morning, Joyce.
Rachel, I mean Max. Whew, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly
Elle
what you
t'écoute
want to try
vraiment.
on.
I'm dying for some of your famous pancakes.
I thought you would have missed those. Ah, you ate more than William, and he loved them.
I remember. We would race each other to grab them from the stack.
So this time, you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk? No
Moi je dis
problem.
pas non. Ah, même moi. La vie, j'aimerais trop manger là.
The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
David, this is Officer Korn. Just want to let you know your stepdaughter's car was identified near the Blackwell campus last
Joyce
night.
looks so different in her street clothes.
What?
Give me a call soon.
Are you in trouble again, Chloe? Don't you sleep?
Quoi? Cette action aura des conséquences? Mais quelle action? Il faut que je trouve de quoi faire le petit déjeuner. Le répondeur aura des conséquences?
Thanks.
Ah bah voilà.
After all these years and everything that's happened, it's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, Those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too, Joyce.
J'espère aussi, hein. J'espère qu'elle est pas morte.
We're
hein.
on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe
Pour
from
moi,
Hollywood.
franchement, Rachel, elle est morte, je pense. hein.
Wherever
En
she
vrai
is.
des vrais. Rachel a des ennuis. Rachel va bien discuter entre Rachel et Chloé.
Is there any reason that Rachel might be mad at Chloe and left without her?
Chloe could piss everybody off but her. They were almost joined at the head. Reminded me of you and Chloe. But Rachel wasn't as grounded as you.
I'm grounded? Since when? Maybe that's why Chloe likes Rachel so much.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Mais non, je veux savoir où elle est en fait.
No way. I know I was selfish when I left. I'm glad Chloe found a better friend.
No, just a different one. Last time I saw you and Chloe in your pirate outfits, I knew she would never find a better friend. And when you took the rap for that joint, you
Rachel est
proved
devenue
it.
chef de gang et elle ne
Thanks.
parle plus à
But it
personne.
seems like Chloe and me
Ça
were
fait-
pirates 1,000 years ago.
Ça
And
se
that
trouve, hein.
makes me
Qui
what,
sait?
a century old?
Coucou, Hanté,
You're
comment
only
ça va?
18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
It's
Chef
not all
de
that,
gang.
Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens.
Voilà.
And a king. Go sit
Ça
at
va
the
et toi,
table.
Mago? Bah écoute, ça va, hein. Tranquille.
Seeing you again, made me remember so much. I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max. He's just not great at showing it.
Tiens, mange.
I don't think I can rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Ah mais c'est la tenue de Rachel, je croyais que c'était la tenue de Chloé ça.
Wowzer. I totally remember that day.
I'm glad.
Je
William
peux pas
took this
partir
picture with
du
his instant camera.
Tu vois, je la tiens en otage. Bah tu prends et tu manges devant.
It's the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
Oh non.
I know, Joyce. I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive, everything she's not today. And this was the last time I ever saw Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys
Ça
have a
serait
bonding session
irrespectueux.
about
Non
how
mais genre
fucked
tu
up
prends
I am?
des chips ou je sais pas.
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please, it's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering, or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Jeez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
Mais ses cheveux ils ont
No
changé
one
de
can
couleur
even
wesh.
joke with you,
C'est le
Chloe.
chlore
You
qui
fly
a
off the handle
qui a
like
fait ça
that.
ou quoi?
Excuse me.
Avant elle avait les
I
cheveux
have to
tout
use
bleus.
the bathroom.
Sure,
Maintenant, il
run
a
off
les
and
cheveux
pee when you should
multicolores,
back me
wesh.
up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
Me parle pas de chips. Bah même moi j'aimerais en manger.
I do need to get into David's computer. He's gotta be hiding shit. No shit, it needs a password. How about step douche?
Connard en chef.
Try again.
Je pense.
I need more
À
clues.
décolorer avec le chlore. Bah ouais, hein, parce que franchement. Pourquoi je suis en rose, ça veut pas changer. Bah non, t'es en violet. Des bonnes chips.
Maybe I could try step
Mais ça va
tab
pas
for
ou
the
quoi?
password.
Vous savez que je cherche encore les chips de McFly et Carlito là. J'ai toujours pas trouvé, je veux trop goûter chips jambon beurre. Je veux trop goûter. Bah ouais, je me vois en rose, c'est sûrement un bug. Bah ouais. Hein. Parce que moi aussi je te vois en violet.
Naturally, David would. I can even see the combination. That might be a useful
7-1,
password.
7-1. Oui bah d'accord, merci. Ça doit être ça alors, peut-être. Ça va être
Magic
ça,
8
bah
Ball
oui.
says no. No
C'est
way,
sûr.
Max. You totally froze the laptop.
Non. Ah merde. Putain, je suis con.
Huh. Maybe this ID number might
Non,
work.
mais merde, je me suis trompée. Oui, ah bah voilà.
Maybe this ID number might work. I could try the license number for the password.
Ok.
Looks like David has read this a lot.
On
What
va
did he
essayer ça
learn?
alors.
Joyce might as well have wrote "Let's get." That might be a useful password. Now the car looks ready to roll. This is a better hobby for David than surveillance.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Mais je peux pas. Non mais ça doit être un truc là, c'est bon, je dois l'avoir.
Score!
Ah bah
Max
voilà.
the hacker strikes again. Whoa, spoiler alert. Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank.
Hein?
But why does David care?
C'est qui Franck déjà? Ah oui, c'est le dealer. Je croyais que c'était le daron. J'ai eu peur. Scofard. Franck Leboeuf.
Instead of stalking Kate, David could have helped her.
Vraiment. Elle connaît bien la Bible.
This is so wrong. Ugh, creepy bastard.
Auditeur de Max. C'est une vanne ou quoi? On va le monter,
I
frère.
better tell Chloe about this now. Ugh, it's just one more thing to make her sad. And mad.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
I have to take a nap after writing up vandalism reports last night.
What happened?
Some little shit-ass punks broke into the swimming pool. This is what happens at these PC bullshit colleges. Entitled students taking over the campus.
Do you know for sure it was Blackwell students?
Who else would do it? And I'm gonna bust them. Figured
salut.
you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
Must be nice to be suspended and have some free time off Blackwell.
Leave Max alone, David. Stop
Crache-lui dessus.
threatening students.
Coup de boule.
He threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Prendre parti pour David, mais ça va pas ou quoi?
You're a bully, David.
Voilà.
I saw you harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even threatened me. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
You were smoking pot in Chloe's room. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What? Is this true, Max? Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Oh, you're turning on me now, huh? Of course.
Eh
We
oui.
always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David, paid for and in
Voilà.
my name. You know
Voilà.
the law, right?
Oh, I thought I
J'ai
knew
fait comme
about
toi, bah.
things.
Heureusement.
Like when
Qui n'a
I'm
pas
on
fait comme ça,
flight.
franchement? T'imagines, t'es là, tu
Have
prends
a
parti
nice
pour
day.
David, frère?
Chloe, for once, just please shut up.
I hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
I don't want to see or hear you again,
Coup de boule.
Max. You've hurt me and my family enough.
Ouais, c'est toi. Il m'énerve.
Max, don't beat yourself up. David earned this all by himself.
Bon, moi je me casse. J'ai tout révélé au grand jour.
Max, that gave me chills. And you better not rewind this one.
Ah. Je me casse.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does
Ah
he
oui, c'est
have
vrai
in
qu'il avait
there?
le bracelet aussi.
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
Il mange du caca. Il mange de la bouillie.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and,
Wesh, tout ça.
Chloe, I got this.
Et
I'll
j'ai
be right
rien suivi.
don't let my epic
il a
plan
mis
get in
le
the way
bon
of
repas.
yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Je n'ai rien compris, on va juste
Now to
y
find
aller.
a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
Ah, mais oui, elle est là, la porte.
Good lord.
Alors, il est où celui qui mange du caca,
I'm
là?
ready to nosh again. Oh, but I need to get those
Renverser,
keys
voilà, je te
from
renverse ta
Frank.
canette, tu vas faire quoi? Allez, tiens, dans ta gueule.
I just wanted to
Dans
see
ton
what would
caca.
happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Je vais juste voir. On renverse
You
le
eat like
caca
a
maintenant?
pig. Try the floor.
I was eating those beans. Are you fucking insane? I was eating those beans. Ugh.
Ah, la honte, la honte. La honte, honte à toi. Ah. La honte, il est tombé dans son caca, frère.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look. Max Amber. Is that your punk rock girl outfit now that you've been suspended? You're already in enough trouble with David Madsen.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
No worries, because you're the one trying to fake it till you make it. At least you were smart enough to keep your big mouth shut in the principal's office.
Ton père. Ton père à toi.
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own. More than
Ton
me.
père.
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
Try interrogating somebody
Vérifier
else.
ses informations avec
Lieutenant
Franck, maintenant de l'agent Berry. Bah, avec Franck, hein.
What the fuck now?
By the way, Frank, I was wondering if you had any
11, 12, 13 septembre.
higher
Ok, je
education.
note. Je note.
Oh, yeah, sure. Do you want the after-school special to go with that? Jesus.
Il y a Jossman aussi.
Look, I
Mais
don't
non.
sell anything but bottles to feed me and my dog. I work for a living. Not like
Mais
you
non.
spoiled Blackwell punks with too much time on your hands.
But
But nothing. Don't ever ask me for anything ever
Ah, mais
again.
qu'est-ce que je dois
Ever.
faire pour avoir ce putain de
Back
clé?
Get a new outfit. And leave me alone.
damn, I really pissed him off. I need to go back.
Ouais, me montre la lune encore là.
What the fuck now?
You act so scary, but you did save all those dogs.
One, I'm not acting. Two, who told you about the dogs?
It's actually a great story. You're an animal lover. Could I pet the doggy? I could go grab him from your RV right now.
I won't even let you pick up the dog shit.
Ah. Je connais pas Maureen.
Besides, you don't want a leash. You want these keys right here. Look at your eyes dilate. You're worse than a junkie, Max. But no fix for you.
Prends et cours. Hein. Bah oui, prendre, bien sûr, je prends.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
Et lui, va.
You did not just do that. Give
Allez,
me
allez.
back my keys, bitch.
Mais
Give
cours.
me my keys now.
Pourquoi elle prend pas et elle court? Mais ouais, non, c'est juste que je vois pas c'est qui Maureen, non?
Now
Attends.
back to Chloe.
En fait, je connais Maureen de la Star. Attends. Coucou Rex, comment ça va? Attends, Maureen. Maureen Chata, j'ai marqué? Bah oui, je suis con, je remonte le temps, mais moi je bouge pas du truc, quoi. Je pense que t'as déjà entendu ses sons. Bah, y a moyen, mais son nom comme ça me dit rien. Sa tête non plus. Je connais pas Kalash. Ah, si, Kalash, je connais. Mais j'entends pas une meuf dedans, je sais plus c'est quand. C'est à quel moment.
I should have known.
Mais
The
si, je connais
amazing
Kalash.
Spider-Max.
I couldn't
Pas
have done it
grand-chose.
without Frank.
Ah, bah tout
Let's
pareil
get
en vrai.
in and
Si, j'ai fait du montage en vrai.
You'll need this, Max.
Mais si, Kalash, je connais, wesh.
On your
Abusez
mark,
pas non plus.
Get set. Throw.
Jeter. Mais pas sur la route, wesh. Sur le parking.
Get the treat, boy. I think we just made that dog our bitch. Get it?
Now we can snoop in peace. But let's not waste time. The doggy is busy now, but he might come back.
Par contre que j'ai un bon instinct, hier je voulais aller à la fête de la musique, mais j'ai dit...
Damn.
J'ai une
I thought
pote qui
my
a
room was a
été je
shithole.
savais. Ah ouais.
You're not a
Putain, il y a
creepy
encore
drug
ça.
dealer.
Frank has issues.
Je me
but
souviens
he's
quand il y
not
avait
creepy.
une
At least I didn't think so
pandémie,
until
enfin
I
je sais pas
saw
si ça
him
se
with
dit comme ça,
Rachel's
mais tu sais, il y en avait
bracelet.
beaucoup et tout. Je savais pas que ça continuait, genre, ce genre de choses.
Oh, we could cruise everywhere in this bad boy. Can you see us heading down the coast to Big Sur and
Et qu'est-ce qu'on
beyond?
devait
Yes,
trouver
we'd be
là-dedans
tearing
je
up
sais
the
plus.
highway. And you'd probably want me to kiss you again. Chloe, we're on a schedule. We need
Depuis
clues
4
about
ans, wesh,
Rachel.
il s'arrête toujours pas. Ah ouais.
I
Putain,
know. Just
c'est
stay
dingue
tuned.
quand même. La petite sœur d'un de mes potes s'est fait piquer hier aussi. Mais non. C'est même pire qu'avant. Ouais, je pense que ce sera limite de pire en pire, quoi. Enfin, c'est une folie, frère.
You scope the area while I
Zip,
hack his
nada,
computer.
nothing.
Qui genre drogué. Bah ouais, je crois que c'est ça. Je sais plus c'est quoi exactement.
Frank is almost a made-for-TV hoarder.
Wesh.
This place is nasty.
Qu'est-ce que je dois trouver déjà?
Frank must have a reason to keep a police radar nearby. I could pry this vent open with the right tool.
Avec le couteau. Je sais.
Curses, nothing here.
S'il vous plaît. Et je peux pas remonter le temps pour récupérer le... J'ai plus trop... Ouais bah tu m'étonnes. On va me voler un rein. Vraiment. Là c'est compliqué là. Je pense qu'il me refaut le couteau hein. Voilà. Là j'ai le couteau, je vais ouvrir celle-là.
My blade will open any portal.
Mais c'était sûr, mais c'était sûr. C'était sûr, putain.
Oh man, Rachel and Frank's dog.
Je sais pas non ce marché, ouais bah mais moi je peux pas te dire hein, franchement.
I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed.
J'espère que tu liras ce mot quand tu te réveilleras. Désolée pour hier soir, j'ai été Désolé pour hier soir d'avoir fini à l'envers. J'ai été une vraie connasse et je n'aurais pas dû me défouler sur toi. Et pauvre Pompidou. C'est une blague. Il y a pas mal de trucs tordus qui se passent dans ma vie et j'ai parfois l'impression que je ne pourrais jamais quitter Arcadia Bay. Laisse-moi que tu es là, tu es l'une des meilleures choses qui me sont arrivées. Quand je pense à nous, je ne peux pas m'empêcher de sourire. Tirons-nous d'ici pour toujours. Je t'aime, ok.
I'm glad Rachel got to drive this beast. She looks genuinely happy.
Un débat la dernière fois en plus. Quel débat? Ok, ça c'est Rachel.
Rachel really did hang out with Frank. I'm learning more about Rachel than I want to know. Trouble in paradise.
Alors, je n'ai pas apprécié ce que tu as fait et je ne rejette pas la faute sur la drogue. Tu m'as vraiment fait peur, je veux que tu n'arriverais pas à te calmer. Je t'avais jamais vu de te comporter comme ça et je te jure que la prochaine fois sur l'année arrière, je suis du signe du lion et on ne regarde jamais en arrière. Je tiens à toi, à nous, parce qu'on a besoin de changement. Bah c'est bon, là on a tout. Hein. Là c'est bon, du coup. Attends, depuis tout ce temps c'était juste ça.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank. I wrote him love letters. I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years. My mother gloms onto stepfucker. Now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Et
Chloe!
Tout ça pour qu'on s'énerve. Continue à manger son caca là.
Chloe, you can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
I gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
It's just life. Shit happens. It's nobody's fault. Blah, 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 as Mr. Jefferson would say. And Kate Marsh...
Yes, Kate Marsh killed herself. She's dead. Such sad, okay? That doesn't make me feel better about my fucked up life, get it?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
Ah, j'ai peur de me tromper. À ton père.
You blame William? Really?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
Damn
j'ai
right.
peur.
He chose to go out that door and leave me forever.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes, even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to wait for your father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
You don't want to hear this, but you're still here. Alive. With me. And that is no accident.
Imagine là, les gens ils disent
I don't want to hear this.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
c'est pas ok. Bah en soi, tant que c'est ok pour la personne... Je suis vraiment vénère. Hein. Ah ouais, ton rêve carrément. Ah oui.
Oh my god.
Wesh.
What is happening now?
Bah d'accord, bah là c'est elle qui en a pris de la drogue. Hein. Bah fuck that what.
Time for a picture. Cheesecake! Come on now. Say pancake.
Max sous champi, mais je te jure. Faut mettre une image au point. C'est quoi RL? C'est quoi? Ah. Oula. Alors déjà, alors, je vois pas très bien déjà de base. Mon frérot, c'est bon, c'est plus flou là.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him. Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just... yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, Chloe. Give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
Coucou, Mathéa. Comment ça va?
Well, I might just allow this one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William is
Hint, hint,
here.
Daddy.
Yes,
And
we can't
Chloe is
expect
just a
them all to
kid.
Attends, elle voyage dans le temps maintenant?
Am I that far back in
You
time?
mean
C'est Max ça?
In France, they call them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
And
old
the French
inside my
chef uses
13-year-old
assistance
self.
If you want to eat.
How?
Mais wesh.
We. I volunteer
Super,
to
et
break
toi?
the
Bah
eggs.
écoute, ça va nickel hein.
Do you remember how many eggs?
Mom said it depends.
On continue le petit
That's
let's play.
true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't
On est
you
vraiment à la
dare
moitié
question
donc
the
je
chef.
sais pas si t'as
Right,
déjà
like you're the
joué à
real
ce
cook
jeu ou
here.
quoi.
Now I get to
Photo.
take a picture. Strike a pose.
Make me a star.
Just make me look young. I am when your mom is away.
Cette action aura des
I'll let her know
conséquences. Mais c'est qui ça? Chloé? Hein? Et qui sont ces gens? Il a l'air sympa. Bah franchement, il est grave cool hein. Là, je suis vraiment
Chloe is just so
à la
damn
moitié ou un peu
happy and
plus, je crois.
carefree. And this is the last time unless I change it.
Déjà, moi, j'aime trop les jeux à choix.
Hello? Hey, honey.
I know I've seen those pictures before.
Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales.
Mais attends, qui sont ces gens?
What?
Je suis
Oh, I
chez
didn't know
Chloé
you had
là.
to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up.
Joyce loves William so much.
Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha.
La meuf aux cheveux
Be
bleus
there
et
shortly.
son père
Love you.
mort, non?
I
Ah non,
have
là,
to
c'est
stop
Max.
William from taking his
Elle.
car today.
Ladies, I
Ah
have
bah
to
c'est
go
Joyce,
rescue
je
yonder
pense.
queen at the Save Mart.
Et là, c'est
She
son
don't
père,
have
ouais,
many
mort, je
bags of
pense.
delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
Les
ridiculous.
trois, t'as déjà
You'll be
joué? Ouais,
grateful for
c'est
that
le
someday.
premier let's play que j'ai fait.
Shit, where am
Il
I?
était trop bien.
keys?
That's a
Oh
dollar.
yeah, I miss
En fait,
movie
tu as pas
nights
envie
here.
d'aller sur
Cookies
une
and
autoroute
popcorn.
blindée et tu dois vivre.
My family never took fun, goofy photos like this.
Mais qu'est-ce que je cherche
Try not to
I remember those cool drawings I did with Chloe.
And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother
Ah,
promised to
mais
make
c'est
us a
Chloé,
world-famous salmon
c'est...
surprise
Oui, c'est
with
Chloé ça.
chocolate
Je croyais que c'était
cake for
Joyce.
dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Ah merde!
I have to try.
On a le droit d'écrire
I
les mots
have
finaux
to.
ou pas? C'est même pas.
I was put here to use this power to save William. For Chloe.
Ah merde! Oula,
Love you.
il va pas me regarder comme ça.
Excuse me, ladies, I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save
C'est
Mart.
mort, c'est
She
mort,
don't
c'est
have
mort.
many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday.
Il prend d'où ces clés?
Shit, where are my keys?
That's a dollar for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund?
Fais quelque chose, mais arrête, je stresse. Il les prend d'où ces clés? Il les trouve pas, regarde. Elles sont... Les prends pas. Les prends pas. Les prends pas!
Aha!
Oh non.
You can't hide from me forever.
Ok, elles sont là, je sais.
Score.
Voilà.
Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with
Partira
Chloe
pas,
and
c'est
Max.
bang.
We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What?
Cacher les clés. Mais je vais pas les cacher devant lui quand même.
Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you.
Vas-y, va les chercher, je les cache.
Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that
Et là, elles sont cachées.
Shit.
Elles sont tous sauf cachées.
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college
C'est bon,
fund?
tu partiras pas, tu partiras pas, tu partiras pas.
Chloe was so into manga. Nice hair.
Vas-y, cherche-les.
Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
Elles sont pas là.
You're bankrupting me.
Encore du temps. Non! Je peux pas les cacher
Hey,
parce
honey.
qu'il fait bip bip.
Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe
Mais
and
non,
Max.
parce qu'il va savoir si moi
We're
je
all going
les
to
ai.
work at the Two Whales.
Bah comment je fais?
What?
Mais dans tous les cas, il va toujours les trouver.
Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come
Faut que
pick
je les
you up.
cache.
Now I'll have an
Jeter les
excuse to
clés,
get a
voilà.
mocha.
Parfait.
Be there shortly.
Il va pas les entendre là quand même.
Excuse me, ladies. I have to
Là,
go
faut que
rescue
tu
yonder
regardes, même si tu regardes, même si tu reviens en arrière. Et je crois que c'est bon là. C'est quoi ce jeu après il me dit je suis drogué.
I know I had those keys right here. I know it.
Mais le jeu auquel je joue.
Forgot all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course.
Oh, je suis trop
Last
chaud.
time I ordered from Spy Guy
Tu vas me faire ça
Electronics.
après
You can
je sais
take
pas
the
combien de
bus,
temps à
right?
galérer.
The stop is right down the street.
C'est ma vie en fait le jeu.
This I can do.
Pourquoi?
Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop.
Putain, je
Joyce
savais.
will love this.
J'aurais pu tester toutes les cachettes, il aurait tout le temps trouvé.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe,
Putain, mais je la reconnais même pas.
I am awesome. We are awesome.
Je la reconnais même pas. Que des fous. Mais non, ils sont pas fous dans le jeu. Mais attends, du coup là ça va changer tout le... toute sa vie là, ça va tout changer. Ta dette, moi j'ai mis dans l'évier plein d'eau. Ah bah c'est bien aussi. Ça les a cassées, non? Du coup elles ont pas fait de bruit. Dans le jeu c'est un pédo. Mais wesh. Déjà il est mort à la base et c'est même pas mon daron, c'est le daron de ma pote.
Hello, are you even listening, Maxine? All my friends in LA.
Mais attends, du coup là toute sa vie elle a changé. C'était pas ton daron? Non, c'était pas mon daron à moi.
I know, sorry.
C'était le
bad
daron de
Max.
Chloé.
You're not pissed at me, right? Right? Do you want to go hit the girls' potty and smoke a peace pipe?
I think Max is high. She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like whatever, bitch.
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Warren, he hooked up with Stella?
Mais tout a changé. Tout a changé, rien n'a changé.
Oh no, this is totally fucked up.
Mais tu as changé tout là, tu as
What
tout
else have I
changé.
changed?
Tout.
Chloe.
Ah, au secours. You. Tu as changé le cours du temps. Bah oui. Du coup, tout a changé, littéralement tout. Où est Chloé? Elle a tout changé. J'ai tout changé. Ça a changé toute la vie entière, genre. Dans la secte du daron. Oui, lui, il est chelou pour le coup. Il est très bizarre. Attends, ça veut dire toute l'histoire, elle est... C'est plus la même histoire. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Là, c'est la neige? Ah non. Je vais manger, vas-y. Bah, de toute façon, c'est la fin, non? Au lieu de retenir les numéros du lot. Vraiment. C'est folie de ne pas utiliser son pouvoir pour ça. Bon appétit. Tu vas voir, ça va même pas être chez Chloé. Je pense. Je suis sûre que c'est pas chez Chloé.
Max Caulfield.
Ah si.
Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
No. I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of, I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on. Chloe! You have a visitor!
Elle a pas les cheveux bleus. Ah! Mais qui... Ça va finir sur ça. Mais qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Oh, ça c'est teasing du prochain épisode. On est dans une soirée. Ah, c'est juste ça. Darkroom. Bah voilà. Il y avait 5 secondes de teasing. Hein. La night. Bon bah nickel, hein. Ça a fini à 20h15. OP. Je me casse. Allez, à demain la team. En après-midi du coup à 16h. Et voilà. Bisous, bon match ce soir à tous. Allez, la team.